Hey everyone, Travis Merritt, Rowlett Transformation Center. There's a lot of people out there that, to be honest, your muscles are too tight or you're too immobile to do the exercises you need to do to get the results that you want. So let me show you a quick fix to how to loosen up, at least one of the best ways to loosen up your shoulders, and that's with this. You may have seen this in the gym. It's a glorified pool noodle. Let's just be honest, it is what it is, but it's what we call a foam roller. So here's what you're gonna do to help loosen up those shoulders. If you're coming down and you notice that you can't bring your arm to full overhead, it's very common to most people. They'll stop here or their arm bends this way. One of the reasons that can do that is it's called the tight lat. So the lat's a muscle that starts from the hip, kind of attaches onto the upper arm. Let me show you how a quick fix to do this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this foam roller right about the armpit. Take your arm, turn it open. You're gonna slowly roll yourself across the foam roller right to about halfway down your rib cage, and you're gonna roll yourself back down to the armpit. Now when you're doing this, lean back a little bit and roll. Go forward a little bit and roll. And essentially what you're looking for is you're looking for knots. You're looking for tissue adhesions. And trust me, you'll know when you find one. Kind of look at it this way. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no pain, 10 being a lot of pain, anything probably over a 5 is a knot. So if you find a knot, right about there I got one, you're gonna sit there long enough until you feel change. Change being, hey, was it a pain scale of 7? We're now at a 5. What I want you to do is do this on each lat of each side for about 3 minutes. Take 3 minutes, do that, and then see how your arm feels. I can probably bet it's gonna feel a lot better. So guys, it's just a real quick tip, fitness mastery tip number 1. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section below. But in the meantime, guys, you take care, and I'm sure I'll be chatting with a lot of you very soon.